To make a Cajun grilled cheese, you kind of need the cheese. I need a beer can sitting right here. You, look away! You're making me... This Friday, we're making one of my favorites. It's a Cajun grilled cheese.
Okay, I'm taking it now.
I was trying... Why is it Cajun? Because it's stuffed with boudin.
Grilled cheese!
That's right. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell.
Cajun grilled cheese.
Now let's get cooking.
The Cajun grilled cheese is also my favorite grilled cheese.
That is right. And we've been doing this for
years. Like, long time.
I mean, you know, of course, being from Cajun roots, of course.
That's right.
And who doesn't love grilled cheese sandwiches? I mean, come on. Anybody?
If you don't like grilled cheese, I mean...
Then stop watching.
Yeah. Press pause.
And
then press play again and finish the video because you need to try this one.
That's right. You will eat grilled cheese sandwiches after this.
That's right.
And if you don't like boudin, can't help you there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, the first thing is the bread.
Yes. Yeah. Sorry.
I kind of forgot.
There was a bug on my neck. Sorry.
Well, I guess it was bugging you.
It was bugging me. Yeah. So we got the bread.
Yes, and this is really simple.
Uh-huh.
I mean, we're going to take a little Cajun mustard.
Ooh.
Get the theme.
Yes.
Not too much, and depending how mustard you like it. Now we're just going to make one for show for all y'all, and then we'll make some more later.
Yeah, because honestly, we're kind of full right now.
Yeah.
We just had some awesome food.
Yeah, and didn't realize it would be as good
Yeah,
as
we
it
didn't
was,
really
and-
think it was going to be that great. Hint, hint, it's the history video.
Yeah.
So yeah, we ended up finishing it, and
And we forgot that we still had to make these awesome grilled cheese sandwiches.
yep. So come back later this week and watch that video.
All right, and so we like to put a little mayo, some mustard if you like more mustard.
Uh-huh. Get out of here, Junebug.
I know he's like, but it's June.
It is actually June now,
Oh.
so that's fair.
Now our cheese combination
Yes.
is really good. We like it. We first start with a little Haverty, just plain Haverty, Colby Jack
Yep.
on one side, Munster,
Munster.
one of my favorite cheeses, also the top cheese for Cheeseburger in Paradise,
That's right. Most people think it's mustard.
and then Swiss cheese.
That's right.
It's a great melty but yet really flavorful combination.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but on the camp that we made this, we actually just had these cheeses, and that's why we used them.
Yeah, actually, well, yes, it was. I think I went to the deli. I'm trying to remember. It's been a long time. Many moons ago. Went to the deli and like, well, we kind of had this idea to do it. And I was just looking at their cheese choices. I love Colby Jack.
Yep.
I love Haverty because it's good melty cheese.
Oh, yeah.
I love Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese, can't go
And
wrong.
again, y'all might guess, but I love Munster cheese.
Yep.
And so I had them just slice up a few. And that's the thing, if you don't want to buy a big pack of cheese, go to your deli and say, hey, can I get X number of slices of cheese? Say you need four sandwiches. Say, well, I need 4 slices of Munster, I need 4 of this. They'll do it, and you don't have to buy and be wasteful and all this stuff.
That's right. And usually I get a better cheese.
Yes, and that's why I do like going to the deli and doing that. It helps you when you're packing or, you know, trying to food plan. So you
Yeah.
don't have a bunch of leftovers or you're having to, so you're not wasteful.
Yeah, exactly. And then now we've got some boudin.
Yes, and you can take your boudin, cut it out of the casing. This is obviously, it was in a
That's
casing.
what we did.
But you can do it before and kind of cook it on your flat top if you want. I don't like that technique. We've tried it before. It
Yeah.
wasn't as good. We
Not
like to
nearly
go
as
ahead
good.
and cook them in the casings and then cut the casings and kind of scrape out the filling.
Yeah.
Because then you get some of the crunchy bits from the casing
Yeah,
over charcoal.
You throw some of those into the mix, but really those Crispies are a snack.
Oh, yes.
That's what really they're for.
For the first time we were snagging them, we're like, oh, we're kind of full now.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we got the little small boudin links. They didn't have
Yeah.
long ones, the 12 ounces.
Which usually we do those because it's a
Yeah.
lot easier.
Yeah, because it's basically one sausage link per person.
Yeah.
So you're getting about 6 ounces of boudin per sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
So we just kind of guesstimated and weighed, cooked up some of the small ones,
Yeah.
scraped them out. Mm-hmm. And now you might think it's crazy,
But it's totally necessary.
and this was just a wild. We got one of those little to-go packs of pickles, and they were bread and butter.
Uh-huh.
Yes, these are bread and butter pickles on a grilled cheese.
Has to be
sandwich.
bread and butter.
That's right. The sweetness with the spiciness
Ooh.
works perfect. Get the zesty ones.
It does.
And if
Because,
you
like,
make your own, make your own.
that's just the best part about that. When you bite into it and you get the juicy bread and butter with the
Yeah.
cheesy and the boudin. Ugh, it's awesome.
Now, some people like to put the mayo and cook it that way. Feel free, however your
Yeah,
choice is.
sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. Today
And
we're not gonna.
No, we're just gonna throw our butter pad down.
Uh-huh.
And instead of trying to spread your butter on your sandwich, just put down a pad,
Yeah.
move it around, and then we're just gonna set our beautiful Cajun grilled cheese, our pre-grilled cheese sandwich. There
Oh
we
yeah.
go.
Boom. Just like that.
And we're gonna let that go. And you're gonna watch this, probably gonna go for about between 3 and 5 minutes.
Yeah, something like that. Just
Because-
keep an eye on it.
Yeah,
It depends on how high you have your thing.
yeah, you want it kind of on
wind.
we've got it on the lower setting, because
Yeah.
you don't want it to get too brown too fast, because
then
then
you
your
won't-
cheese won't be melted.
That's right.
And so, in fact, how many times am I going to say so?
Well, what you were gonna say is, if you notice that you have to flip and your cheese isn't melted, throw a lid on it.
yeah, in fact, we'll be
We-
right back, and we're going to put a lid on this, and because it's just going to help it all get that ooey gooey.
Exactly. So we'll be back with a Cajun grilled cheese. Grilled cheese!
That's right. And we already flipped it, as you can see. We just did it, covered it, flipped it,
You know,
got it
the whole
nice,
thing.
and look at that gooey
That's
ooey.
what we call a Cajun grilled cheese.
Yes. Now we take one of our America plates.
Yep. Because every Cajun grilled cheese needs an American plate.
That's right. It's not American, it's America.
America plate.
Almost said the dirty word.
Oh, yeah.
If you know, you know.
Oh, you probably know.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm telling you. Even if you're still thinking, pickles on a grilled cheese, are you crazy?
This is delicious.
Cajuns are crazy. So yeah. Ready?
Well, cheers
Cheers.
to the Cajun grilled cheese, one of our favorites.
That's right.
Man, that is full. I was about to say another dirty word.
Dude, I'm so full right now, but
I'm gonna be throw up full.
yeah, I'm gonna be fighting real hard not to finish this.
That is okay. I'll just need to leave. I need a
Yeah.
moment.
You never go wrong with a Cajun grilled cheese.
No, you really can't. It's fun. You saw how easy it is. Mm-hmm. Yeah, cooking the boudin is probably the hardest part.
Yeah, but
But
I mean that's not even hard. You're cooking boudin.
oh,
You do want to get it crispy though. You don't just want to cook it. You want to get it nice and crispy to the point when you stick that knife in, it crunches.
no, keep talking. I'm eating.
I'm talking with my mouth full.
This is so good. There's so many flavors. That cheese
I
combination
gotta put it down. I have to.
is probably my favorite of all time. And the little bit of mayo and the Cajun mustard.
Dude,
and you
everything
can't beat it.
about this is fantastic. You need to have one.
Yes, you do, and I need a nap.
Me too.
So y'all gotta go, and we'll see you next week on another episode of Cooking with OTK. So remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.